Hello, welcome back. And as you can see, we have edited the classes of the element which is inside the left div. Right now we are going to add element classes of center div. So before moving forward, let's make a comment here, and we're gonna say here this section is used for left div. So we'll say left div style here. So we'll save it and we will copy this and we will paste it for the center div, and we will say center div style here. The comment is very useful whenever we make a larger project. We can easily see where our specific classes are, and so that is why it is very useful to add comment inside every project. Let's add the element classes of center div. So let's go to the index.html file and let's add the left div, because we have added the element classes of the left div. Now it's time to add center div element classes. So we'll open the center div, and inside the center div we have a class of center nav, which is the parent element of center menu. We will also copy the center menu, and inside the center menu we have unordered list and list item. We only have these two classes, so copy these two classes and paste it inside the, so paste it here. We'll say dot, and we will add curly braces, and right now, so we'll select the unordered list and we will copy this class and we will paste it here, and we will say select unordered list, and inside the unordered list we will select the list item. So we'll paste it one more time and we'll say select the list item. So we'll type element selector for the list item is li, so we'll select the list item. So again we're gonna copy this, and let's see what we need to select the anchor tag. So we will paste it one more time and we'll say select the anchor tag, and copy one more time, and inside the anchor tag we have a spawn element, so we'll say select a spawn as well. So we'll save it. We have added all the classes which is inside the center div. Let me check it again. We haven't select the font awesome icon, so let's copy one more time this spawn element and paste it here for the font awesome icon. We will say inside the spawn element select font awesome icon. We are good to go. Let's cut some space from here and save the file. We have added classes of the element which is inside the center div. So that's it for now. In the next lecture we are going to add element classes which is inside the right div. So see you in the next lecture.